Assalamu alaikum dear students, this is your English teacher. Today we will discuss new topic, that is someone. This short story begins with a major dramatic action and knocking that came on the speaker's door. It is the middle of the night and the speaker has been surprised by this sound. He is out in the woods and cannot imagine who it would possibly be. One additional detail that gives clue to the setting is the description of the door is being wee means small, W-E-E means small. It is as if the speaker is making a point to emphasize the size of the door and make sure that the reader does not imagine him in a grand house. This is most likely a small cottage or cabin in the wood. In the fourth line, the reader comes to the first instance of repetition. Repetition means to repeat. Comes to the first instance of repetition, a device that is put to effective use in this poem. The speaker is absolutely sure he heard the sound knocking. This repetition is meant to mimic the sound of knuckles rapping on the wooden door. When he opens it and looks to left and right, there is nothing. There, the only thing he sees is stirring. Do you know what is meaning of stirring? An activity that is still going in the dark night. In the second half of the poem, the speaker expands upon what he is saying and tells the reader what there is outside. It is not completely empty as he stated. In the first half, there was a number of sounds coming from the wild outside his door. When he listens closely, he can hear the busy beetle that is tapping in the walls of his cabin. He knows this sound for a moment. He can hear from the forest the sound of the cricket whistling. It is as if these inhabitants of the forest are well known to him. They are not the crickets, but a single cricket that lives nearby. All this is happening while the dewdrops fall. The poem concludes with the speaker stating that he had no idea who it was that knocked on his door. He didn't imagine it. The final lines shows off Delamere's use of repetition once more. Dear students, this was all about the poem Someone. Hope you understand it very well. So if you have any query, please mail me, or you can just put your queries on our school website, that is www.kashmirharvard.organization. Thank you. Have a nice day.